In this video, I'm going to discuss a concept of parallel combination of inductors, and I am considering their mutual inductance also, their interaction also I am considering. So these are the two inductors L1 and L2 connected in parallel, and I have to find the equivalent inductance of this combination. So let us go about this. So suppose I current is entering in this combination, and here current which is going is I1, and here the current is going I2. So if I write the flux passing through this coil, so flux in coil number 1 I am writing. So this flux will be due to self and mutual. So self flux will be, this is L1 I1. Mutual, due to this current, the flux may be in the same sense or same direction magnetic field, or flux may be in the opposite sense. So I am assuming that due to mutual inductance, flux is in the same sense as this L1 I1. So I have to write plus then, so it will be M, and it is due to this current, so it is MI2. So I am assuming that mutual inductance is supporting the flux, so it will be plus. Phi2 is equal to, similarly, this is L2 I2 due to self current and due to the I1, so it will be M into I1. So these are Phi1 and Phi2, and if I differentiate the flux, it will give me the EMF, and since both are connected in parallel, so potential drop across these two inductor will be same, so differentiation of these two will be equal. So I can write L1 di1 by dt plus M di2 by dt, this is equal to L2 di2 by dt plus M di1 by dt. So di1 by dt is here and di1 by dt is here, so I bring di1 by dt on the LHS, and I bring this di2 by dt on the RHS. So it will give me L1 minus M di1 by dt, this is equal to L2 minus M, this is di2 by dt. And there is one more equation, that equation will come from I is equal to I1 plus I2. So if I differentiate this equation, it will give me di by dt, this is equal to di1 by dt plus di2 by dt. Now I have to obtain a relation between this L1 L2, obtain the equivalent inductance in terms of L1 L2 and this mutual inductance which is M here. So for the equivalent circuit, I can replace these two inductors using a single inductor. Okay, so I can replace these two using this single inductor. Let's say the inductance is L, and obviously the same current I should flow in this. That is when I can call this the equivalent inductance. Okay, so same current should flow in this, as I current is passing through this combination, I current should pass through this combination also. So if I write equation for this, so V across this terminals, V is equal to L di by dt I can write. Okay, so for this is V is equal to L di by dt I can write it here. So this d by dt I can replace in terms of V and equivalent inductance, and similarly I have to write di1 by dt in terms of V and di2 by dt in terms of V, which is the voltage applied across this combination. This is the voltage applied across this combination. So how do I do it? So first let us convert this equation in terms of only one current, either in terms of I1 or either in terms of I2. So for doing that, I can write this like this. This is di by dt, di1 by dt I am replacing I2. So for di2 by dt you can write it from here. So it will be L1 minus M divided by L2 minus M into di1 by dt, and you can take di1 by dt as common. It will be 1 plus L1 minus M divided by L2 minus M. Okay, so di by dt, and this is di1 by dt into this number. Now V, I can write it from here, differentiation of this d5 by dt. I can pick anyone in this, so I can write L1 di1 by dt plus m di2 by dt. And I can find in one variable only. Let's say in terms of I1, I have done this in terms of I1. Let us do this in terms of I1 also. So this is L1 di1 by dt, this is m, and what is di2 by dt? Di2 by dt I can put it from here. So this will be L1 minus m divided by L2 minus m di1 by dt. Sorry. So it is di1 by dt. So I can take di1 by dt common from here. So it will be L1 plus m into L1 minus m divided by L2 minus m. So I have found v in terms of di1 by dt, and I can put this di1 by dt into this equation. So from this equation I can find the self-inductance, equivalent self-inductance. For di by dt I can put v by l. So this is v by l. And for di1 by dt I can put this. So it will be v divided by this whole quantity, L1 plus m, L1 minus m, L2 minus m. So this is d1 by dt, and to 1 plus L2 minus m divided by, sorry, this was L1 minus m in the numerator. So it is L1 minus m divided by L2 minus m. So this v is now cancelled, and from here you can easily find this value of L, and L will come out as L1 L2 minus m squared divided by L1 plus L2 minus 2m. So this is the equivalent self-inductance. And suppose if I take the case when this mutual inductance is opposing the flux due to self-inductance, in that case it will be minus here and it will be minus here. So you can think of it like that. You can replace m by minus m in your calculations. So if you replace m by minus m in your calculation, so you will get this result. If opposing, if mutual inductance is opposing, then L will come out as L1 L2. If you replace m by minus m, so there is no effect here, so it will be minus m square. If you replace m by minus m, so it will be plus here, so it will be L1 plus L2 plus 2m. So this is the answer for the self-inductance.